Hi beekeepers, I want to make this video because we've had a day and a half of solid heavy rain, and now look at all the orientation flights going on. But I learned a lot from that rain and wanted to share it. So what I learned is that anywhere there's a crack in the wood here, water would seep through. Like I said, it was very heavy rain for a day and a half. So it was kind of damp on the inside. It's not like it was dripping, it was just damp. So on this crack and on this crack, you could see moisture. But this board here was completely dry, which was interesting. Now on the B side, the bees had put propolis along there, so the B side was completely dry along these cracks. It's only on the side where they haven't got to yet. And then this crack right here, what happened is water comes in and it drains down here. So this entire top board was damp up to this crack. And then this part of the board was dry. And then it was damp, a little bit damp along this crack and a little bit damp along this crack, which you wouldn't think so based on the paint, but somehow moisture just kind of seeps through there. Anyway, so there's a little bit of moisture, but I am going to do something about this crack. And what I think I'm going to do is go to the hardware store and get like a 2-inch vinyl strap and just staple it along, right along here, so it'll cover this and help shed water off of that. So that's really the only change I'm going to make here to accommodate the moisture. Otherwise, like I said, on the B side it was pretty dry. So, yep, we've got finally a little bit of sun and a ton of orientation going on, so that's pretty cool to see. Oh, and that cork that's out over here on this side, it's not actually out, it's plugged from the other side on the inside. So what I do after an inspection is I open that up, and any bees that are trapped on this side, they can come out that bottom hole, or they can go up through the bee escape, but it gives them 2 ways out. And then I'll come back after the inspection and plug that hole up so they don't, go in there and start expanding the hive beyond where I want them to expand it, beyond the follower board. So that's the update on this hive. Just one minor change, I think, to put that vinyl strap up there, and it'll be, ready to go. And oh, in case you're interested, this is not level where it is. It's in the process of being moved. I move it a couple feet a day. Eventually it's going to go over to that spot right there. So we're making it there eventually. All right, happy beekeeping everybody, and we'll talk to you soon.